Retire Young, Retire Rich is a book by Robert Kiyosaki, the author of the best-selling book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. The book is a guide to achieving financial freedom and retiring early by following the principles of Robert Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant, which teaches that the key to wealth creation is to move from being an employee or self-employed person to becoming an investor or a business owner. In the book, Kiyosaki argues that the traditional approach to retirement, which is to save money and invest in stocks and bonds, is no longer effective in today's economy. He encourages readers to think differently about money and to take risks in order to create wealth. He also emphasizes the importance of financial education and the need to constantly learn and adapt to changes in the economy. Kiyosaki explains the 4 different quadrants of the cash flow diagram and how to move to the right side of the quadrant where the rich people are, the business owner and investor. He provides practical advice and strategies for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. He also covers the importance of creating multiple streams of income, the power of compounding interest, and the dangers of consumer debt. The book also covers the current state of the global economy and the potential impact of financial and environmental crises on individuals and society. Kiyosaki believes that the current economic system is unsustainable and that individuals need to take steps to protect themselves and their families from potential financial disasters. He also stresses the importance of taking a holistic approach to wealth creation and considering the impact of one's financial decisions on the world. Overall, Retire Young, Retire Rich is a comprehensive guide to achieving financial freedom and retiring early. It offers practical advice and strategies for taking control of one's financial future, along with a call to action for individuals to take responsibility for their own financial well-being and to work towards creating a more sustainable future for all.